Hi everyone, I'm Bree,
And I'm Jean.
and we are doing No Screen Time, STEAM Time, and today we are exploring math.
Which, say it with us, is the M in STEAM. So we are also going to discover a great gadget for learning.
And experience an activity to improve our math skills in a fun way.
All right. So today we are going to make equation spinners.
Which are pretty cool, so we're gonna do some cool little gadgets today. Don't forget to be on the lookout for the following STEAM vocabulary, which are
Equation,
a statement of equality of two mathematical expressions,
operands,
something that is operated on, which in this case it would be numbers,
and formula.
a general fact, rule, or principle expressed in usually in mathematics symbols.
Okay. And the supplies you're going to need today are very simple. Just some styrofoam cups, 6 of them, and markers.
Perfect. And our lesson, we are creating a fun DIY for practicing our math skills. So pretty simple today, just kind of going back to the basics.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it, Jean.
Okay.
Okay, so we have all our supplies here. We just need styrofoam cups and a marker like Jean said. As you can see, Jean did the 6 cups. I have a little bit more, and this is just to show you guys how you guys can make it harder in case you guys are doing a little bit more of an advanced math, like with multiplication or division.
Okay. So first step.
First step. So we have our example one right here, so we're going to follow that. You're going to take your first cup, and around the rim we're going to label it 0 through 9. So I like to start with a 0 here, and then a 5 here, and then fill in the gaps with the rest of the numbers. I
Good
think that makes
idea.
it a little bit easier.
All right. And I am doing my numbers vertical, as you will see as we get more finished, how it'll work for setting up your equations vertically instead of horizontally.
Okay, so we got that done. So on our next cup, we're going to go ahead and do our operators. So these were our operands, and now we're going to do our operators on here. So I'm going to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And then I think with yours you could do just, I think you could still do all of them if you wanted to.
Okay, I'll give it a try.
And then since I have a little bit more cups and I am going to go higher numbers, I'm actually going to do the 0 through 9 again. So that way if you guys wanted to do like 12 or 11 or 10 to multiply or divide, you guys can.
Okay.
All right, so now for this one we're going to do numbers again. So just again 0 through 9.
These would be easy to take along, like if you're traveling or if you've got a long car ride somewhere. They're so lightweight.
Perfect. All right, and then for this one, we're going to go ahead and do an equal sign. So you can just do 1, because you only need 1. Just put that on there.
Okay.
I had one too many cups. And then again, we're just going to go ahead and do 0 through 9. Okay, so as you can see, we have ours all labeled.
Yes.
Jean has hers vertically, while I have mine horizontally. Both will work. So now you have your numbers. So here I'm going to do a pretty big equation.
Okay.
I'm going to do 90. You have your operators right here. So I have 90 right here. Be careful, they do spin quite easy. So 90 right here, and then I'm going to do multiplication. So I have my little multiplication sign, and then we're going to go ahead and do 4. So I'm switching it to 4, my equals, and then I'm going to do that equals 360.
Okay. All right, so I'll show you how it works when you have your numbers vertically. I set up an equation here. We've got 11, got a plus sign, and 2. That equals 13. Okay? Now, if you want to take it to another level, and we can figure out an equation using a variable. For that, I will have to add in, I'll put in an A. That's going to be my variable, okay? And I'm just going to add it onto this cup here. So we're going to start with, let's start with 9. So I'm going to remove one of the cups. 9 minus, and we're going to bring that A around, equals, and I'm going to say, I don't need this one, 9 minus A equals 4. And then you can give it to a buddy, and you can say, okay, now you can solve for A, and then they will have to use this level cup to spin it around until they come to 5, because 9 minus 5 equals 4. It's another way to practice your math skills.
Awesome.
Okay.
And that's the coolest thing about these is that you can add or subtract the amount of cups you need. And I think that's an awesome idea to add that variable in, so that way you guys can test each other. And same thing with, even if you don't add the variable, I think that works great if they're trying to figure out the middle of the equation. Hold on one second. If you're trying to figure out one of the numbers or the operands, that works great. Or what you could do also is just give them a number. Let's say 56 plus, we'll do an easy one, 4, and then equals, and then they could do the
Right. Oh,
solution.
right. Solve it, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So different ways you guys can use these. Have fun with them. Play with your siblings and see how it works.
Yeah. So if you have pictures of doing this with your buddies, with yourself, you can send them to us. Just tag us on Facebook, and we'd love to see them.
Yes, always. And we will see you guys next time.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.